In this video, we are going to watch the CCTV networks of Delhi Metro.
Over the years, the Delhi Metro network has grown manifolds. Started with a humble 9 kilometers network between Shahadara and Tees Hazari, having 6 stations in 2002, it now boasts a network of around 350 kilometers with over 250 stations. It is a well-known fact that public transportation is becoming increasingly important for urban areas to prosper in the face of challenges such as reducing congestion and pollution. Security plays a vital role in helping public transport system to become the preferred mode of travel. Excellence in security is a prerequisite for metro system for increasing its ridership. Security model has to keep pace with the rapid expansion of the metro network and changing security scenario. Delhi Metro is concerned not only for the safety of its passengers while travelling in a metro train, it is equally concerned with the safety of public anywhere within Delhi Metro premises. For this purpose, elaborate security measures have been adopted in Delhi Metro. This includes deployment of highly professional CISF staff at all locations and installation of closed-circuit television surveillance system over its entire network. Surveillance mechanism in the public spaces is not a new concept. Security guards, managers, fenced spaces, several methods are employed to check crime and any unwanted activity in the public space. With the invention of technology, the use of recording devices and cameras has taken over, and CCTV devices have become the eyes and ears of the establishment to prevent criminal activity. Closed-circuit television or CCTV is a system connected through multiple camera devices connected and controlled centrally. Presently, the DMRC CCTV network consists of more than 13,000 closed-circuit cameras. These are linked with central monitoring system and control servers through DMRC fiber network. The cameras are IP addressable and can be accessed from anywhere within the DMRC CCTV network. DMRC closed-circuit system has some extremely sophisticated devices that employ features like night vision capability, motion detection, advanced zoom, and automatic tracking capacities. The cameras capture essentially all vital locations on a station like entry-exit, ticket and fare office counters, automatic fare collection gates, escalators, and lift areas, platforms, concourse areas, walkways, subways, and technical rooms. Besides other potentially critical locations such as parking areas, public kiosks, isolated areas within station premises at metro stations, and other similar areas are monitored continuously through these closed-circuit cameras. Metro systems are typically open and dynamic systems which carry thousands of commuters. Security is a relatively new challenge in the context of public transport. It addresses problems caused intentionally. Security problems or threats are caused by people whose actions aim to undermine or disturb the public transport system or to harm passengers and staff. Such intentional activities are being covered under CCTV surveillance. The videos that are streamed live and in real time are monitored by trained security personnel for any suspicious movement or activity. For this purpose, special monitoring control rooms in DMRC remains active 24/7. The videos are preserved for a predefined period and backups are also taken for any future requirement. For monitoring these sensitive areas, different types of cameras like PTZ, IP fixed cameras, fixed analog camera, dome cameras, IR and motion sensitive cameras are used with smart technology like face recognition and auto tracking capabilities to identify and track the potential troublemakers. It will be interesting to know that Durgabai Deshmukh South Campus station of Pink Line is having the maximum number of cameras at any station. The total number of CCTV cameras at this station are 106 cameras. We at Delhi Metro assure you that with our vigilant eyes taking care of your security in Delhi Metro premises, you can relax and enjoy your journey.
Hope this video was useful for the viewers. Thanks for watching.